Hello guys, welcome back to my channel CAD in CATIA and SolidWorks. So today we are going to make this drawing in a CATIA V5. So let's start our drawing. Before we start, let's discuss procedure of this drawing, how to make this drawing. First, we are going to make this middle part without this hole, and after that, this middle part and these bars, and in the last, we are going to make this and in the ending of the video we are going to make this hole. So let's start our video. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. So first we are going to take xy plane, then sketch, circle. We need this 30 diameter, exit sketch, paid, mirror extend, and the paid length is 17.5. So here we type 17.5 divided by 2 because we are doing here mirror extend. Divide by 2, preview. Okay. Then we are going to make a cylinder or a circle, and the diameter of the circle is 10. So type here 10, and the distance from this point to this vertical axis is 50. So type here 50. Then exit sketch. Then use a groove shaft groove, no, shaft, and on the axis select vertical axis, and the profile, at the profile select the sketch, then preview, and okay, this is ready. And after that we have to make bars. So for that select YZ plane, ZX plane, then sketch, then make a circle, and we need this circle diameter is 5. Let's see. 5 is the diameter of this bars, 5, and then exit sketch, then then use a pad, and in the type select up to surface, and in the limitation select this bar, then preview, and okay, one bar is ready. So we need here a 5 bar, so select circular pattern, in the instance type 5, and in the parameter select a complete crown, and object to pattern this bar, and the reference, at the reference select this cylinder, preview. Okay, this is already. And the last we have to make a hole. So for the hole select the circle. The diameter of this hole is 15. So type here 15, then line, and make here a line, zoom in. The length of this line is 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, and then double click on this and type 3.8. Then the distance of this point to this vertical axis is 3.8 divided by 2. Then the distance of this line to the horizontal axis is Let's see what is the distance. 10 unit. So type here 10 and then select a line and make a line from this point to this edge, and then again select a line, make a line from this point to this edge, and after that trim the extra part. Then exit sketch, select a pocket, mirror extend and type here 50, preview. Okay, our hole is ready and our part is also ready. So this is how we make this drawing in CATIA V5. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more notifications and drawings on CATIA V5. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel. Thank you.